What is up, guys? I will be talking about the KDE new distro, KDE Linux. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. Okay, so KDE is releasing a new distro. What is it? It's called KDE Linux, or its codename as Project Banana. This was just announced, like, at most a month ago, and we have some test images that I can test out on a virtual machine. So here is KDE Linux. This is a new operating system that isn't actually normal operating system, because this is a atomic operating system. Basically, what that means is that instead of you can update every certain packages, it just updates every single thing, and if anything goes wrong, it just reverts back. So you will always have a working system. And some other operating systems that use this is Fedora Kyanite, OpenSUSE Kalpa, and some others. All right. So what are the things that we have? We have Btrfs. So basically that means that we can revert back to previous states if something breaks. And yeah, the thing is, it's built on Flatpak and Snap, but it's based on Arch Linux, so that doesn't really make any sense. But yeah, for some reason this image, first of all, the install system thing doesn't work, and as you can see here, just doesn't work, and you can't install things because it just doesn't really want to detect, because it makes the file system completely read-only, and I can't move the partitions anywhere, so that's just a bummer. So it just says that I don't have any space, but I gave all my disk space to this virtual machine. But yeah, that's the only problem here. Obviously, they're going to fix it in the normal release. But yeah, this is all you have to know about KDE's new distro, and any other news, I will keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye-bye!